for that.
No, just give it a order. We're all jacked up, but you need to rotate 180 degrees.
Okay. Now we grab this. Okay, so when it says front, it's the front of the shop. And the reason why I had to custom make, so this sits right on the corners on all work, but because of the fence, I had to trim and coat with the footing. I had to bring it in, so I had to add pieces. If you lift the bottom, go ahead and lift that part. All the way up. See how these have a gap there?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And that's so it'll clear the fence.
Oh, first take here.
All right.
So that's why it's critical that we know this is the front edge. Are you ready? Now we're going to go straight up to the building. Straight down. Bring it down. There. And it's full contact. Next is
There you go. No, that's good. Stay. No, don't put that one. No, just let it stay there for a second. Ow.
Good job, Jacob.
There you go. All right.
let's bring it all the way over this way. Maybe go straight in. And then I turn the wheels to prep it. Go and push forward. Manage the brakes. Get all the modules black. The new ones that had to be painted black. Everything laid out.
Nothing's left to chance. Go ahead. Close your eyes, I dare you.
So the caps are on my list. Yeah. I put the E-track, single E-track, I welded onto the bottom in the center of the long side. Yeah, I put it on that car. Okay, Mike, can we bring you electric cables? Yeah, all that stuff. Did I get it put on that one, John?
Yeah, there's two.
Okay.
But I don't have